Hey, Chad here. I'm going to show you a quick Uber Eats tip. This is how to cancel an order you've already accepted. You just don't want to do it, or you can't do it for whatever reason. So towards the bottom of the screen, the hamburger menu with the three dots towards the middle there, tap that, and then you'll see it says pick up and drop off. So if you have a double stack, you can remove one this way, and if you just want to do one, not the other, it works the same way. So where it says pick up, the three dots to the right of it, I'm going to tap that. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, hit report issue, and this is all the reasons you can get out of doing a delivery. Unable to find pickup, too far away, excessive wait time, order was canceled, restaurant is closed, order picked up by someone else, I don't want to do this delivery, oversized item or other. I usually just am honest and just say, I don't want to do this delivery. Yes, cancel. Now it says cancel. When it says cancel their order, it means cancel you doing their order. They'll offer it to another driver. It doesn't mean that they're going to cancel that person's food order and refund them. Hope these tips were helpful. Let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to answer those. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you later.